Want to keep your home monitored from your phone for about €20 without any monthly fees? Well, today we're reviewing the Tapo TP-Link TC70 Wi-Fi security camera. Visually, it's a compact and very clean-looking device made of matte white plastic that fits perfectly in any corner of your home without attracting unnecessary attention. It's divided into two main parts. First, there's the bottom part with the base, which you can place on a piece of furniture or use to hang from the ceiling, and then there's the spherical top that houses the lens. On the front of this sphere is the main lens, surrounded by a ring that conceals the infrared sensors for night vision, along with a small LED status indicator. Just below the lens, if you manually turn the dial upwards, you'll find the microSD card slot, which lets you store recordings locally without having to depend on the cloud. Alongside this, we also have the device's physical reset button. At the back of the base is the input for the power cable, which connects directly to the electric mains and the integrated speaker grille. Getting into the technical details, we're looking at a camera with full HD 1080p resolution. Absolutely clear enough to see faces, people, or pets in a room. Its main hardware advantage is its motorized movement system, capable of rotating horizontally up to 360 degrees and vertically up to 114 degrees, which means you'll have almost no blind spots in the room where you place it. Regarding connectivity, it uses the standard 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band. Another key feature of the camera is its two-way audio, which allows you to both hear everything happening around the camera and communicate with people at home through the microphone. You can speak through the camera, they'll hear you, and you'll be able to hear them. Finally, for situations of complete darkness, the 850 nanometer infrared night vision system activates automatically, allowing you to see with perfect clarity in black and white up to 9 meters away. Before continuing with the video, if you're interested in learning how to set up the camera at home with your mobile phone, I've linked a complete video with the process above. The real magic of this TP-Link ecosystem lies in its mobile application, which is intuitive, fast, and very comprehensive. One of the standout features is its intelligent motion detection, which can tell the difference between general movement and the presence of people. When the camera detects something, it sends an instant notification to your phone so you can stay alert at all times. It also has a smart tracking feature that automatically rotates the lens to follow anyone or any pet that crosses the room. Lastly, if you're worried about privacy, the app includes a private mode that physically lowers the lens and completely stops streaming and recording. If you want to record videos as well as watch live ones, you can insert a microSD card of up to 512 gigabytes so you don't miss anything at all. And if you want uninterrupted recording, Tapo also offers an optional cloud recording service, though it's a paid service. Finally, to wrap up the analysis, let's talk about one of the most important points, the price. You can find the Tapo TC70 for around 20 to 25 euros, a really tight price for the home automation market. As you can see, it's a super accessible device with lots of extra security features for your home and more than decent resolution, so for the price it has, I highly recommend buying it.